back to our channel, The Breathtaking Postcards. I am Neha, and today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the latest phone by Google, the Google Pixel 4a. So if you're someone who loves taking photographs, if you're a content creator and are looking for a great value in a phone, you need to keep watching this video till the end to find out if the Pixel 4a is the right phone for you or not. तो मैं Google Pixel काफी टाइम से यूज कर रही हूँ. The Pixel 4a comes to us in a beautiful white box. And as you open the box, here's the sleek, compact, extremely slim, the Google Pixel 4a phone. And box के अंदर हमें कुछ और चीजें भी मिलती हैं. So there's a little manual. We have a charging port and a cable and a connector. अब जानते हैं कि इस फोन की खासियत क्या है and what are some of the things that we absolutely love about this phone. सबसे पहले point number 1, price. ये Google का एक बहुत ही budget friendly and a good price phone है. This is priced at 31,999 rupees. It's also available in Flipkart. I think it's a great deal and it's a great price for the amount of features that you get in the phone. So yeah, price point is definitely correct and bang on. Second reason and the second point that you should consider if you're looking at this phone is the camera. Google Pixel phones जाने जाते हैं अपने amazing and out of the world camera quality के लिए, and this phone truly lives up to its value. It has a 12.2 megapixel camera, creates some amazing HDR pictures. In fact, हमारे Instagram पे जितनी भी pictures हैं उनमें से I guess 95% Google Pixel पे ही click की गई होती हैं. And the Pixel 4a also has the astronomy feature where you can click great photos of the night sky. And not to forget, the Google Pixel phones have a portrait mode. You'll actually forget shooting on your 50mm lens once you start using the portrait mode on the Pixel phones. And the main reason behind the Google Pixel phones to be giving you such amazing pictures is that they use computational photography and certain algorithms that help bring out those amazing pictures of the phone. Third reason is the Google software experience. This phone actually gives you an authentic Android experience. It doesn't have any unnecessary third-party apps. The user interface is extremely clean, very fast, and it's just very seamless to explore through the phone. And the great thing about Google is that it gives you 3 years of updates so that your phone is up to date with all the latest softwares and enhancements that are going to keep coming in the phone. And before we end, a couple of other things that these are small things, but these are quite important things that we also love about the phone. One, it has a great battery life. So if you're a working professional like us, or if you're a content creator who's always on the go, this phone's for you. And now the size. So while the Pixel 4a is smaller than the Pixel 3 XL and the Pixel 2, but I think it's quite handy and it's compact and can very well fit into your pocket. It's extremely slim, so easy to carry around. And lastly, and the most important part that we've been missing in all the other Pixel phones is the earphone jack. So this phone brings you an earphone jack where you can plug in your earphones. So I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, और अगर आप भी एक affordable, budget-friendly phone ढूंढ रहे हैं that has a great camera quality and a couple of other good features, तो मुझे लगता है Pixel 4a is a good choice. If you're already using it, and if you have some other views about the phone, do drop them down in the comments below, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Breathtaking Postcards. See you in another video soon. Bye!